Hi, I'm joining you here today from Moulin Avant, which is our first ground-mounted solar array. Not necessarily in the best weather for solar, but we wanted to celebrate 12 months since we launched our Solar 5000 initiative. In the last 12 months, we've made really remarkable progress. We've built the solar array that we stood in today at Moulin Avant. That's providing power on an annual basis to about 750 homes. We've also launched our first domestic solar offer into the market, and we've broken ground on 2 additional ground-mounted schemes, one in St Mary's and one in St John. And in addition to that, we're also progressing a rooftop scheme on the cargo shed at the airport. So once all of these projects have been delivered, which will be early in 2026, we will be around 40% of the way to achieving that Solar 5000 ambition, having built enough capacity to supply around 2,000 homes a year. We launched the Solar 5000 initiative recognising that, of course, Jersey isn't sunny every day, but solar has got a huge contribution to make to our energy mix. It helps us diversify supply. We've also been able to employ over 30 local subcontractors in the construction, which is great for the local economy, and of course we've received tremendous support from the local community, and who of course will benefit from this scheme together with the rest of the island.